In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black, which means that location is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also just go into settings and look for location here. When you find it, tap on it and use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!